People need a natural environment. However, we always hurt the natural environment. Of course, some people had realized the importance of protecting the natural environment a long time ago. Gifford Pinchot and John Muir are two important representatives. They have two different options. One is the scientific conservation. The other one is the environmental preservation. They have made great contributions in the field of the environmental protection. In my opinion, the scientific conservation championed by the Gifford Pinchot and the environmental preservation advocated by the John Muir both want to protect the environment. They don't conflict to each other. Both of them have a good purpose. They all want to protect the natural environment, and we can't say who's not correct. So they advocated the different way we can use to protect the natural environment. And personally, I prefer the scientific conservation championed by the Gifford Pinchot, because I think it better combines its accrual problems of the reality in the human society with the natural environment. Nowadays, people are expanding their land, so we need to try a better way to get along with the natural environment, and we need to develop, which means we need more resource, we need more land. This will make us hurt the natural environment easily, so we can use the natural environment while we are protecting. So this is also the line with the Gifford Pinchot's plan. He championed the scientific conservation. The land owned by the federal government can be sued to use the general public legally, and we can use the science to protect these areas. People can do some scientific experiments in these areas to find the best way to make the plants grow better. Besides, people can also get the water they need in these areas. Although, I have to admit that not interfering with the natural environment is the best option. We can separate from the natural environment, and that process will take a long time. In today's fast-paced era, we can't wait for the decades. Therefore, using the positive intervention of science and human power to make both sides profits is the best way. That's the reason why I prefer the scientific conservation championed by the Gifford Pinchot.